Hello guys, welcome to another video. On today's video, I am going to show you how to improve your performance on your Windows 11. So sometimes the computer that you're using and is running Windows 11 might seem a little slow. So I'm gonna show you 5 steps on how to speed it up. Hopefully it'll work for you. And if it do so, you got a faster computer. So let's begin with the tutorial. Alright, let's begin with the first thing you gotta do to speed up your Windows 11, and that's gonna be to disable all the startup programs. In order to do that, you right click the taskbar, then you go to Task Manager, then you go to Startup Apps, and if, as you can see, I got many programs installed and all of them are disabled except for the Windows Defender. I like to keep it on because it'll save my computer for viruses and all that stuff. So one thing to keep in mind is that all these programs, you don't need them when you start your computer. If you need them, you're gonna open them, you're gonna click on them, and you're gonna start using them. So it's good to have them disabled so it doesn't interfere with the booting. So the second thing we are gonna do to improve our Windows 11 is to erase all the junk files on our computer. So to do that, we click on Windows and then R, and we type this right here, clean mgr. So we press OK. So right here is gonna show us all the files we got that we don't need. So I got all this right here, so I'm gonna select them all, and then we press OK. Just one thing to keep in mind, that is gonna raise the recycle bin. So if you have files that you want to get back to the computer, don't select it, but I'm gonna select it because I don't have anything. So I press OK, and then delete files, and it's gonna load deleting all the files that we don't need. And sometimes we got large amounts of files, so that's gonna be improving your computer. So the third thing we're gonna do in order to speed up the process of Windows is going to be adjust the performance settings. So to do that, we click on Windows R, and then we type this prompt right here, 6dm.cpl. So we click it, and then we go OK. So after that, we go to Advanced, and then we go to Performance, we go to Settings. So this one right here is really important because it's going to change the visuals on your computer. So if you have an old computer, that's good to disable because it's going to improve your performance. So if I go to adjust to best performance, it's gonna deactivate all the visuals. So if you want a best appearance, you click on it, but if we're gonna speed up Windows 11, adjust to for best performance is the best option. Right now I don't have any issues, so I go to let Windows decide for me, or we can go to custom and we deselect whatever we don't want. So I like this one because it doesn't affect my computer because I have it all clean and good optimized for performance. So I go to apply. After you decide what to disable, you go to and apply. Okay, so the fourth thing we are gonna do to improve our performance is going to be enable high performance mode. So in order to do that, we go to Windows, then we press X, and then we select power option, which is right here, power option. So on power mode right here, we select best performance. Sometimes you got a balance, sometimes you got a best for power efficiency. So we go to best performance, and we select on battery and plugged in, so we got the same performance even though you have it plugged in or not. And the last thing we are gonna check is going to be updating your drivers. This is really important for best performance, because sometimes you got outdated drivers and your computer runs slow because you have to upgrade it. So I'm gonna show you two methods to do it, the easy one and the most advanced one. So the easy one is to go to settings. We go to settings and we go to Windows Update at the last option, and then check for updates. You check for updates, and if you don't have anything, well, you're good. If you have a lot of updates, it's recommendable to update them all. And to update the GPU and the CPU separately, that's gonna be a most advanced option. And to do that, we're going to go to Windows, then X, and we're going to go to Device Manager. After we do that, we're gonna select the option that says processors, then right click and update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And then as you can see, mine is already installed, the latest version, because I have it up to date. And the second thing we're gonna update is gonna be the GPU. So that is gonna be display adapter, and then we right click it and update driver, and then mine is installed already, so I don't have to do anything. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope it's gonna solve your slow computer, and if it does, let me know in the comments, and if it doesn't, let me know anyways, so I can do something and I can make another video to explain another options on how to do it. And if you like this video, please like and comment or subscribe. So that's it for today's video. I will see you on the next one.